How to simply change Instagram chat theme from your gallery, and then you can set the image of your choice as your Instagram chat theme. So firstly, this is unfortunately not possible because you cannot set your photo of your choice from your gallery on the theme section of your Instagram chat. Instead of this, you can simply select a good theme and the suitable theme for you. There is a lot of choices of theme available on the Instagram chat screen. So let's find out how you can simply do the best for you. Whenever you will open your Instagram application like this, you have to choose a chat for this you want to change or you want to set a theme. Now simply click on the username of this profile, and from this menu, here you will see the theme option, and the theme is currently set to the default, but I can select. There is a lot of choice, like this is the custom colors, this is automated and live themes. There is a lot of theme section available in this uh, Instagram chat screen. This is about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.